Today we are going to see this type of tree which is called Ecalyptus globulus. This tree has been discovered in Australia, and this tree contains 100 types of this tree. And this tree is available in very part of the world where you can see this tree used in the many people use this tree in the building of the houses, in making tables and other utensils. And so we are going to see in the health content of this tree in treatment of many diseases. Many people prefer to go in the hospital to take industrial drugs so that they can cure themselves. But there is a natural medicine they can use where they are treating themselves instead of using industrial drugs. And you have seen that the research has discovered that when you are using the industrial drugs many times, instead of your body can lose the capacity of resistance, and then after losing that capacity of resistance to disease, maybe you will see that many people they take drugs, but the drugs have no capacity to cure themselves the disease they have. And so that's why I encourage you to use the traditional drugs instead of using those industrial drugs sometime. But before using the traditional drugs, you must consult to your doctor so that they can make sure that the disease that you are corresponding with that traditional drugs correspond with that disease. Maybe there is some people who try to use the traditional drugs without going to visit her doctor so that they can face with the challenge and the effect which can lead to them having some difficulties that can be caused by those using the drugs. The firstly, the use of eucalyptus in the body. First of all, it reduces high fever. When you have high fever, maybe eucalyptus leaves can help to reduce that fever. Secondly, it helps in respiratory pathway function properly. Sometimes there is some people who when according to the climate they are in, they can be faced with fever, sneezing, asthma. Those diseases may, if it is caused by climate, maybe it